Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code, that is install error 0x800f0820. So if you are receiving this error code on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness over here. Make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now make a right click, click on start or restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click once again and then click on restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. In that case, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, hit pause and then hit resume updates. And then you can check. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Now the next step is to run these two commands. Still not working, then type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. Now in my case, I already ran it. Now copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, let it complete first. 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, update your Windows 11. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update. For example, suppose if I am not able to install this update, this is just an example. It may be any other update. Whichever update is giving you trouble, you can type in the name of the update over here and then click on search. Once you hit search, let me change the language. Language is different over here. This is the Microsoft website. Now over here, type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WINVER run command. And over here, in my case here, you can see version 25H2. So you have to check your version first and then go to Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. So in my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. So in your case, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. So you can select update as per your system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. Click on download and then on this page you will see the update, that is whichever update you are trying to install. You can select that update. In my case, it's KB5066835. You can click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, and then once done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, it will actually repair the Windows. Here you can see, if you will see Windows repair version. So it will, once that is complete, now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. Use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept over here and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish. Once you hit finish, let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It may take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then here you can see setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11 and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this install error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.